Seva Mela, this is the fourth year of the event that is taking place during the Joy of Giving Week. Last year we had 64 NGOs or non-profit organizations that took part in the event, and close to about 3,000 people attending it. The good news is this year we have, as of today, 100 NGOs who have signed up, and there are actually more in the queue, and we are figuring out a way to accommodate more. And that itself is an indicator of amazing interest that so many non-profit organizations have to participate in these events, come and present their work, spread the word about the work they do in supporting various social causes. So there will be NGOs working on education-related issues, small and big. There will be NGOs working on healthcare issues, women and child welfare, disabled, specially abled, and so many other causes, including a lot of them working on environmental issues. So I think it's a unique opportunity, as Mr. Sudhir had said, for all Hyderabadis to find under one roof so many organizations, social workers coming together to present their work. And it's a great opportunity for every citizen to identify organizations that are engaged in various activities, identify causes they connect with, and explore volunteering opportunities. This is starting on the 5th morning, Saturday, the day after, at 10 a.m. On the 5th morning, and we'll be there on the 5th and 6th, and the timings are from morning 10 until evening 8 o'clock, and we really welcome everyone, children, parents, elderly, everyone to come with family, friends, colleagues, get everybody together, literally. And it's rare for so many NGOs to come together under one roof. Okay, working on diverse issues, many of them working on common issues, to be able to come together and collectively present the work. And I think that is something to look forward to. And apart from the great amount of interactions that will take place between individual citizens and the NGOs, also we've seen in the past that it has been a great platform for NGOs to identify new collaborations. And I think that's a huge potential that we have noticed in an event, because social work, the challenges are so huge that it is impossible for an individual or one organization to be able to address all the issues. And together, if we can put our might, I think we can go a long way in addressing some of the social challenges towards which all of us are working. So the event, apart from showcasing all the good work that the NGOs are having, will also be a great place. A lot of the NGOs are supporting children from very underprivileged backgrounds. So during the 2 days, there will be several of those children presenting various cultural programs. And so we particularly invite a lot of children also to be welcomed and witness all these activities. The event will have food courts managed by the NGOs themselves, and offer a wide platter for everybody. Most of them promoting organic and eco-friendly products. So that's another thing to look forward to at the event.